Okay, we are at Suncheon. We are at Suncheon. It's the 11th of November. It's around 8:30 a.m. Yeah, we're walking to find some breakfast spots. But so far, most of the places seems closed. So let's see. I don't think they have food. Or only those. 所以这边有杯杯面。Okay. No breakfast, so there is 7-Eleven. Sausage. We are at Suncheon Bay National Garden. Let's go. IPL. Ticket office.
Oh yeah.
So much better than Nami Island, where it was just humans more than trees.
Oh, the coffee very diluted.
Yeah. It's not very nice. Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, so we took about 3 hours to do the entire east gate side, and now we are crossing the space bridge, and that is here. Let's go. Wow. Wow,
你看它的脚
so many. So we found this. You can take stamps to see all these animals. Stickers, I mean. You go to this box and you just pull from below. And you get a piece of sticker. Cute. Real monkey. So far at the back.
他们不怕人啊。
The yellow.
Wow, so cute eh. Hey, look, his thing is tongue out. Do you see that? Do you capture that?
白狐狸。
有动到了。有波地。
去叫。
不是。
是啊。
不是水的，
柯
它趴趴的。
There's meerkat also at the back.
这个不是啊。
How you know
Oh,
about
see, it's there.
보이나? 안 보이는데. 여기 있나?
This one?
Another one inside.
Inside. Oh. Oh, it's coming out.
오, so cute.
새끼인가?
Oh my god.
잠도 한숨 자네.
Afternoon nap. Posing on the rock.
Yeah.
Don't look at the sun.
머리 돌아가.
매일 오후 4시. From the west gate, you will see this first. It's pink color. What? And maple tree path, I think, on the right or left.
Give me a map.
Maple tree path, this one? On the right? Looks like. They're quite nice, eh? Look at pink colors. What's this? There? The triangle. A crane with a elixir plant. Okay, it's not very obvious. This is where they put in the effort to build a pond and a mini pavilion.
Are those grapes? No. What is floating right?
Cypress forest. Let's go. Tree Garden Observation Deck. We're at the observation deck. See lake, gardens, and there's a tram over there. Then we have to take cross to the wetlands later. We are done with both gardens. Because the Sky Cube is closed, we have to take a cab to the wetlands. Jangtungotang.
Mud skipper is boiled, then soy.
egg, 간장, 게장,
Yes.
What's that?
I have
Some
no
Thai
idea.
dish. Octopus. Cockles. Oh. Suncheon Man Bay. Wetland.
Train is the Sky Cube. Then here you can take a red train, the 1.6 train.
Across the boardwalk. Yeah. So here. Huh? Yongsan Observatory. 2.3 kilometers. Okay, that's it. We have finished the Suncheon Bay area. Must go. When you travel, you have to go to the supermarket. In season, now is persimmon. One bag for 4,800. And then also this grapes. 4 kg box for $26. But this is the muscat grapes. And I think melon. Let's try the Milkies. $7.50. Choco pie, 12 for $4. This. Okay, total damage. Okay, we gave up with the place, so we are doing chicken and beer from this Daegu Tongdak. 什么我也不知道我点了什么 fried chicken and I think garlic soy chicken. Oh, popcorn. 감사합니다. popcorn.